We're here at the Children's Museum parking garage in Indianapolis, Indiana. And over here is the museum itself. And here are the elevators. And look what we have. Super rare Kone Delta. Up to 4. Here we go. Here are 4. Let's go down to 1. This is a pretty nice elevator. It is a pretty big one as well. It has a 5,000 pound capacity. And look at this, super rare innovation Delta buttons. These are nice. We're at 1, let's go on one more ride. While we're up here, we'll get a little bit of a view up here. Over there is the museum itself. And out here, you get a nice view. You can see downtown Indy out there. But yeah, fairly nice view. Let's go down now. Let's go, while we go down, we'll get a look at the buttons. That's right, they're super rare innovation Delta buttons. These are really nice. But anyways, here we are at 1. Again, these buttons are amazing. There it goes, and that's it.